Welcome back to True Nation X. I'm Kim.
I'm Edith.
And I'm here with BoxyCharm.
Yay! I haven't seen anybody else get this yet, but there may be people out there and I have no idea. And it's the one that she thought I still would get, but I don't get this one. I don't think I ever have.
This is totally BoxyCharm.
I have way too much lipstick on.
Okay. So I
Her
will
eyes
just
on the back.
pull things out. Okay, so the first thing I am doing, there's two of these. So Ace Butte, I guess, Glimmer Shadow.
This is high
This
pigmented,
one's
soft
cotton
shadows with a
candy.
creamy texture, specially designed for the ultimate color payoff. These shadows provide bold color in one swipe without fallout, creasing, or fading.
I might like that color. I can't tell if it's like, is it like peach orange? I can't tell. And then the other color is Iced Latte. Ooh, yummy.
I was like, my favorite drink at
So
Starbucks.
I might keep these. I don't know. I kind of like them so far. Glimmery. Okay. And then next thing I'm doing is Wander Beauty's Go Ahead Illuminating Face Oil.
It says, this multitasking beauty elixir instantly hydrates and absorbs into the skin, revealing a bouncy, youthful complexion no matter what skin type you have. The lightweight, powerful formula nourishes and primes the skin and helps restore skin's moisture barrier while providing a youthful glow. The spill-proof dropper allows you to use it one drop at a time. That's cool.
Okay. And then the next thing is Tarte's Big Ego Mascara.
An ultra black vegan mascara that lifts your lashes and delivers a fully loaded flutter for up to 16 hours. Wow.
I know, I was like, I'll have to try that. I don't think I've ever tried this one.
I have one that looks like that, like the wand does. So
And then,
Becca.
oh yay, Becca Hydro Mist Set and Refresh Powder.
This
I know
Mist
some
powder sets and refreshes makeup for a silky smooth, invisible finish. Formulated with a 50% water and glycerin, this powder creates a mist-like sensation on the skin for a seamless finish and comfortable feel.
That's good, because some of my powders, I do use a lot of powder.
It's weird though that it's like, I don't know, just seems like it goes on after or something like.
And then Steve Laurent, how do you say it, Laurent?
That's how I would
his
say
name
it.
right. What is this?
Lip liner?
Chic? Yeah, and Chic, I guess, is the color.
What does it say? It doesn't say on here.
Okay.
It just says reshape, resize, and redefine your pout. This lip pencil is total magic. Sorry, it smooths over your lip line for a seamless and flawless finish. Completely waterproof, so no transferring or bleeding all day long, lasts up to 7 hours.
That is a keeper.
I know that's a. I don't know if
For
I like
sure.
the color, but I love. Like right now, my
I don't
lipstick's
care what
like.
the color is. If it stays on, that's good.
I put too much lipstick on. My lipstick's doing that weird gunky thing. I usually just put a little bit on with a finger, and I totally went. But this one's what, $20, $25,
$22.83, I think.
a month.
$22.53, something like
If
that.
this video is fast enough for you, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to be part of our future giveaway. We're doing another one right now pretty much, and we'll catch you in our next video.
Take care.
Bye.